Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we're going to go through the steps you need to take to restore a revision that was made to a specific page. So for instance, in this case, we have a page where under this title there was some content here, but it was accidentally removed. This could apply to any type of revision that was accidental. If you need to go back to a previous revision, you typically have the option to do so. So the first step is on the page where you wish to restore the revision or restore a previous version of it, you will go to Edit Page. So on the toolbar, click on Edit Page, or you can go into the dashboard for the site and click on Pages, and then locate the page that you wish to revise, and then hover over it and click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, you'll be taken to the page editor on the back end, and over to the right hand side you'll see under the Publish module, which you can open and close like a toggle, so make sure it's open. You'll see there is an option, the third one down, which is Revisions, and you can see how many revisions are stored for this page. And next to that, you'll see a link that says Browse. Click on the Browse link. And what we're going to do is, this is the current revision. It was made by this user, and it shows you when that revision was made. If we want to remove something here, go back to the previous revision, which was made 2 months ago. It stores revisions. Every time you click Update for the page or Publish, it'll store another revision. So we're going to go to that one from 2 months ago rather than the current one, which was made 3 hours ago. And we're going to click on, after dragging this to that state of revision, we'll click on the blue Restore This Revision button. Now we're on the current revision, and we can now click on the blue Update button to make that particular revision of the page go live. You will see a confirmation message that says page revision restored. Now if we go back to, we can actually preview the page or view the live page by clicking on the permalink, right clicking and clicking open in new tab, and we can see if indeed the content that was below please note was restored. If there was nothing else under there, you can always go back and go to a previous revision of the page, and it will store all previous revisions, including the ones that you restored. So if we go to one from 2 years ago, we can click Restore This Revision and click Update. And then if we refresh the page, then there actually doesn't seem to be any content missing in this case, but you can see this is indeed the revision from previously. So we're going to go ahead and again click on Revisions, Browse, and we want to go back to the previous one from 3 hours ago. We can click Restore This Revision and click Update to make sure we're on the correct version. That's all there is to it, restoring a revision to a page. If you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to Gradelink website support.